Audio Jungle.
Hello class, today Sir Juan want to explain to you how to do your computer project. Later you will do your computer project in TouchPaint application. I want to explain to you what have to do. What you have to do in computer project. You create a drawing or picture. You create a drawing or picture in TouchPaint. Okay. And here have the video about the tutorial how to do your computer project, and especially this one. This is especially for the student. If you want to do your computer project, you want to do your computer project on your Android or phone, you can watch this video about tutorial how to install TouchPaint in Android. And student, please finish your computer project in TouchPaint application. Send the screenshot or picture to my WhatsApp. Okay, you can see here. Okay student, the instruction: create a drawing as good as possible like the example. Later I show you the example of picture or drawing in TouchPaint, but you can create the other picture or drawing up to you. You can use stem, use additional features available with stem, just flipping the stem, resize the stem, and color palettes, etc. And then screenshot by spacing PRTS or print screen on your keyboard. Jadi untuk memprint screen itu atau screenshot, we always know, kita yang kenal dengan screenshot, tekan PRT buat kalian, or some keyboard, beberapa keyboard juga print screen, kamu tekan ini. Okay, after that send it to my WhatsApp. Okay student, this is the example, this picture, this drawing in TouchPaint. Don't forget student, make your name, like this one, Mr. Juan from, if you from Big Dipper, make Big Dipper, Leo, Gemini, or Orion class. Choose one of them, according to your class. Okay, this is nice picture, kid. You can draw this one in TouchPaint. But if you want to draw the other picture or the other drawing on this one, it's okay, no problem, kid. Up to you. The important one, you make your drawing, your picture as good as possible. Okay, the step to do your computer project: turn on your computer or laptop, run the TouchPaint application, click on the new tool in the toolbar pane, choose one of them. Okay, create a drawing picture as good as possible. Okay, the next, use stem to select the desired stem. To change its color, select the color palette, resize the stem, click on the appropriate tool in the selector pane to increase or to decrease the stem size. To flip it vertically. You can use all of them, kid. And don't forget, this is very important student, don't forget, make your name. Make your name. Okay, Sir Juan will give the score. Project criteria. Sir Juan will give the score. We'll see the score. Your project criteria from your skill in using TouchPaint, and kreativitas kalian dalam menggunakan TouchPaint, and also contents. Content itu isinya, kid. Jadi semua ini sangat penting. Your skill, your creativity, your content in TouchPaint. Okay student, now I try to to make the picture or drawing in TouchPaint. Okay, we open TouchPaint. Okay, I open TouchPaint window. I don't choose the full screen, kid. I just choose this. Okay. Okay, look at this. We make a simple picture. Okay, I have done this, kid. Okay, I already done. Okay, I want to show you the new. I make new one. Okay, I choose this one, the blank, and then open. Okay, now we try it. Make this line and choose this, and I choose new color. I choose this one, blue. Okay, I draw here, kid. I draw here. Okay, and then fill. Choose this one. Click. Okay, and then student, we make the color. Maybe the sky, blue sky. Blue sky. Okay, this one. Okay. Line the kid. Okay, we make here.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, and then fill. Okay, and now we want to make this one. Okay, we choose rival. Yeah, rivals. Yeah, it's fun. Okay, student. Okay, undo ya kid. We undo and undo. Yeah. Okay. Undo again. Undo.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, and then we make smooth.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, student. Ready? Now we make also this one. Yeah. Evil.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, undo. Undo. Okay, and then smooth. Okay, now we want to draw a sun. Yeah. This one.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, student. Then make line again. Make
Audio Jungle.
the white color. In here, in the middle. Okay, and then we choose magic again and smooth. Okay, students, and then we make the line. Just yellow. Okay, and then make it smooth, student. Magic. Okay, and then make it one more line. Just white. Okay, we make it smooth. Magic.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, student, and then we make this.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
One kid rainbow. Okay, student. Wow. Rainbow in magic ya kid. And then we make line again. Yeah, black color. Can draw here. Oh, sorry, paint. Paint. Okay. Ready?
Audio Jungle.
Okay. Then make one here. Okay, we
Audio Jungle.
Okay, here also.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Already, student. And then we make grace. Yeah, find the grace. Okay, in there.
Audio Jungle.
This one grace.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, and then we want to make the tree.
Audio
Yeah,
Jungle.
the stem, and then we find the tree. Okay, maybe here. Yeah, this one, student. Okay, we make it smaller. Already, and flip. Put here one. Already. Oh, sorry, undo. Make here.
Audio Jungle.
Okay. Then make it smaller. Here, one. Okay, and click. Make here one. Okay, and the other three, student.
Audio Jungle.
Be this one. Make it smaller.
Audio Jungle.
Already, student. Okay. If you want to make it as good as possible, yeah, this okay, student. Yeah, more more make it better, yeah, kid. And then we magic. Choose magic again. I want to make
Audio Jungle.
Okay, student. Okay, after that, don't forget to screenshot, yeah, kid. You screenshot, yeah, print screen, press on your keyboard, and then send to my WhatsApp, yeah. You can open your WhatsApp, yeah, in Google, yeah, and then open WhatsApp web, yeah, and then
Audio Jungle.
can send to my WhatsApp, student. Okay, I think that's about how the tutorial, how to do your computer project. I hope you can understand how to do it. Okay, student, enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Keep healthy, keep spirit. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye bye.